They call it the Great Downsizing, a polite word for a deep wound.
The question was on every corner, on every tired face. What is the way out?
I thought the way out was a ticket, a journey to somewhere else, a surrender.